Hello everyone! Sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, followers, I would like to inform that my personal account, Mark Angel Soria, get hacked because there was a suspicious activity na nakita ni Meta, kaya dinidisable niya po. Because the Instagram account, it was the hacker, kaya na-identify ni Meta na merong suspicious activity, kaya dinidisable niya po yung personal account ko po na Mark Angel Soria. Good thing kasi Meta verified ako, kaya nga once nga ma-detect ni Meta na merong suspicious activity, dinidisable yung account. At yung ibang pages ko po, Marco Soria, Alician Wadensan Events Coordination, hindi na nyo po ma-search. You cannot find it when you search kasi nga dinidisable. But the other pages, who's Mark Soria, Magnificent Bisaya Club, hindi po siya na-disable, kaya na-access for sure yung ibang pages ko po sa hacker. Kaya nga, I make this video to inform you, everyone, na kung merong mag-chat sa inyo ng mga pages ko po na hindi na-disable ni Meta, I would like to inform na please ignore that messages para walang ma-scam, para walang maloko. Kaya nga, I would like to request everyone to be aware of it. And please share this video para malaman ng iba. Kaya nga, I hope you will support this new page of mine, and thank you so much.